Okay, here is a really smashing, gorgeous purple sparkle movie star gown. Like movie star, Professor and Mary Ann. The bust is 34, the waist is 15 across, though I think it may be a 28 or 26. Should be. The hips are 40. The dress is in mint condition, and it's a real razzle-dazzle gown. And lots of details. Totally glamorous and gorgeous. Fire! Fire! Hurry, hurry, run! Okay. See? Beautiful, excellent condition. And it's so hot that the fire trucks are coming. It still has its original store tags from Lord & Taylor, and way back when it was $140, way back in the 80s or something. Keep your shopping at Miss Firecracker, brought to you by Lord & Taylor. Okay, so let's look-see at this adorable, very colorful Minnie. Look how pretty she is. Polynesian ladies doing things, looking glamorous while they're doing their things that they like to do.